So what is happening in Delhi with regard to Chhattisgarh? Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel landed in Delhi. He has been meeting Rahul Gandhi for the past 2 hours. Even Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was present in the meeting, has now left. Sources have informed India Today. Rahul Gandhi has instructed Bhupesh Baghel to hand over the Chief Minister position to the current State Health Minister T.S. Deo as per the power sharing agreement that was decided in 2018. This could be Baghel's second meeting with Rahul Gandhi this week, and coming just after 53 Chhattisgarh Congress MLAs reached Delhi to meet with the Congress leadership. Baghel and his supporters have been carrying out massive show of strength, trying to even throng the Raipur airport. Baghel building pressure on the leadership already. It could well spell trouble for the party in a state where it actually clearly won with a thumping majority. Remember, Chhattisgarh is one of the few states now in the country left which is still ruled by the Congress party. The Congress party in Chhattisgarh has a strong majority of 70 MLAs out of an assembly of 90.
क्या मीटिंग के लिए राहुल गांधी जी बुलाए हैं तो वो तो हर नेता आएंगे, पर विधायक लोग क्यों आए हैं, मंत्री लोग क्यों आए? हम लोग तो आदिवासी सम्मेलन में आए थे, पर हम जो हवा में उड़ रही ये सब बातें वो विपक्ष वाले उड़ा रहे हैं। और ऐसे अगर बात है तो हमारे शीर्ष नेता जो बैठे हैं वो हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ के भविष्य को देखते हुए निर्णय लें।
पूरे हिंदुस्तान में जितनी सरकारें चल रही हैं राज्य में, उससे सबसे ज़्यादा मजबूत छत्तीसगढ़ की सरकार है।
लेकिन ये संकेत अच्छे नहीं जा रहे। देखिए, राजस्थान में जो कुछ हुआ वो सबने देखा, पंजाब में स्थिति ठीक नहीं। ये आपकी एक ऐसी सरकार है जो बहुत मजबूत थी। देखिए, यहाँ पे भी अब ऐसी बातें हो रही हैं।
इसके पीछे का आइडियोलॉजी को आप समझिए। इस समय जो मोदी जी का गुप्त एजेंडा है, अमित शाह जी का गुप्त एजेंडा है कि जहाँ जहाँ मजबूत सरकार है उसको डिस्टर्ब करो। उसी के रणनीति के तहत इस सरकार को डिस्टर्ब करने का कोशिश है और अदानी अंबानी इसमें रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं।
ये हमें नहीं मालूम। हम अपने क्षेत्र समाचार जानने बताने के लिए आए थे बुनियादी मिले।
एकदम ऐसे चले आए बिना क्षेत्र के बारे में बताने के लिए, बिना अपॉइंटमेंट के?
क्यों नहीं आ सकते भाई?
कितने लोग आप लोग आए?
हम तो अकेले आए हैं अपने क्षेत्र से।
पर भूपेश बघेल अकेले नहीं है
न, उनके साथ पूरा कांग्रेस पार्टी है भाई, कैसे अकेले होंगे? सीएम है छत्तीसगढ़ के,
तो बने रहेंगे सीएम के बदलेंगे?
अब हाई कमान जानने बदलना है कि रखना है। हम तो जो सीएम है उनके साथ हैं।
Now remember, this is not just about Chhattisgarh. The few states ruled by the Congress party appear to be all of them facing either a revolt or an infighting, ambitious contenders in all of them, unable to resolve ahead of 2024 elections. Let me now take you through one by one. Let's begin with Punjab. It seems like a never-ending tussle. Sidhu versus Captain Amrinder Singh. They appear to have resolved the issue, but then again, it is the same situation. So that Punjab is clearly on the top, followed by Rajasthan. Ashok Gehlot, Sachin Pilot. Sachin Pilot believes he definitely has much more to contribute and perhaps Gehlot needs to give way. Coming up after Rajasthan is Chhattisgarh that we were just talking about. Whether it will be Bhupesh Baghel as the Chief Minister or will give way to T.S. Deo. Moving on from Chhattisgarh to the southern state of Kerala. Remember, in Kerala as well, Ramesh Anitala at a point had said that there needs to be much more that he can also join and contribute for the Congress party. But with that, Assam. Remember, in Assam, there were even MLAs who were joining and jumping ship to the Bharatiya Janata Party. And the Congress has not been able to stop its MLAs in the state of Assam. Jharkhand Congress facing a similar ally trouble, not just within the Congress party, but the allies they need for support against the BJP and against the ruling parties. Gujarat Congress, a similar situation of unrest. So all these states that we are trying to show here basically reflects that at a time when